ang Stellar Kids. Because Stellar Kids, for the information of everyone, was established last June 2018, and that was 5 years ago, in a very humble home boarding house sa Tayum, Pangasinan, where we stay with our group mates, with our board mates. It's really a dream come true na makauwi na po ang Stellar Kids Binalonan. And I'm very thankful po sa lahat ng tao na sumusuporta sa amin. More than the investors, of course, are those people who trusted Stellar Kids. Not me, who bought Stellar Kids. We want learning that is learning to all students. We want innovation for every student. We want learning that is beyond classroom. Ang iyon po ang i-offer ng Stellar Kids Binalonan. Maraming salamat, and I look forward to having you again for the next branches in the Philippines. Thank you.
Congratulations, Stellar Kids Binalonan. Keep it up!
Hi! Congratulations, Stellar Kids Binalonan. Wishing you all the best.
Congratulations, Stellar Kids Binalonan! Enroll now!